Hey, wave. Alright. So, let's see if we can see that one. So right now we're just going to give it a little bit of smoke, kind of get in there. So here we go, this is just the top cover, just so y'all can see some bees moving around, doing their thing. Alright, let's get into the real stuff. Boom, there she is. Found her. Yeah. Alright guys, so right here, I don't know if you can see that or not, but there's our queen. So we're going to pick up the camera, kind of get it in the sunlight, but she should be right there. So you can see the queen, which is pretty cool. We know she's there, obviously. This hive is pretty good, pretty healthy.
Turn it over. Turn around.
Okay, I'm just going to keep it there. I want to make sure this one gets back.
Oh, yeah,
there it is. So I don't know why, but they are building a queen cell. We are going to destroy that because we don't want them making a new queen.
Just set it right there and we'll destroy it right there.
We'll go back like that.
Yeah, that was
See? Anything in there?
Yep.
That was?
Yep.
Here, let me get that. Huh?
I didn't take it out of the oven.
Okay, we need to. So right now we're just going to be opening up this cell, and there's the larvae and all the royal jelly that it takes to make a queen. There's the larvae. There she is. So, no to the queen, and that's all royal jelly. Pretty cool, guys, pretty cool. So the reason we're destroying this is because we want to control our hive. We want to make our own queens. I don't know why they were making their own queen. Not an expert, but you know, kind of weird, kind of crazy. So we're gonna go ahead and put this frame back because this one did have the queen on it.
Did you take it off?
Yeah, I took it off. So let's get down back in there. So on the outside, you can kind of see the honey, and that one bee right there has pollen sacs on its knee.
That's how they carry.
That's how they carry the pollen from plant to plant back to the hive. And then let me see if we can get another
There's
shot
another
of
one
a
right there
queen.
with that
Oh yeah,
one.
here we go, here we go. There's a good one. Alright, there we go. Flame. Let's get back in like this.
Are you gonna take any more out?
I'm gonna look at this side to see how full it is. No, they're still building and stuff. This is a feeder that we feed our bees. Just because right now they're working hard to build up a new home. So we just put sugar water in here and kind of let them drink it and do their thing with that. But as you can see, this is the top of the beehive. There's Mama Berry. Say hey, Ma. Hey. Alright, cool. Good enough. So right now, hopefully you guys got the concept of a beehive, how we work and stuff. I'm sure I'll have to answer all y'all's questions in class, which is fine. But so far you guys saw the queen, you saw the comb, you saw brood, a little bit of honey and some pollen sacs, which is a pretty good show, I guess. That covers a lot of a beehive. But you can kind of see them doing their work in there. Yeah, didn't get too crazy. Alright, that should be a good view. So we'll put all this back and then we'll get back to you guys. The front. So like I said, with the pollen sacs, you can kind of see that one. See all of these ones moving and buzzing real good. There's a little entrance. Thanks for tuning in, and catch us next time on Berry Bee Adventures.